Hello friends! We are here now in this river here in Banban River, and we are here to wash our clothes and swim. that's Doug. Doug is hanging his clothes there in the woods. I will hang mine too. OMG. As long as there's water, you can have everything.